If you've ever saved a post on X, formerly Twitter, and you're wondering where it went, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your saved posts on x.com, step by step, in just a few seconds. This is super useful if you want to come back to a tweet later, revisit an important thread, or keep track of posts you liked for reference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where X keeps all of the main menu options, including your profile, notifications, messages, and more. Now, scroll your eyes down the sidebar until you see the More option. Go ahead and click More. When you do that, a menu will pop up with additional features that are not shown directly in the main sidebar. In that menu, look for the Bookmarks icon. This is the section where X stores all of the posts you've saved. Click on Bookmarks and instantly you'll be taken to your saved posts page. Here, you can review everything you've bookmarked and open any post you want to read again, share, or interact with later. If you don't see anything there, it usually means you haven't saved any posts yet, or you may be logged into the wrong account. That's all there is to it. To see saved posts on x.com, simply go to the left-hand sidebar, click More, and then select Bookmarks. It's quick, easy, and one of the fastest ways to find content you saved for later. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other X or Twitter tips you want to learn next.